Hi, welcome to Numerical Spark, our weekly series highlighting new features requested by customers. This week we present the GUI to script prototype currently available in FDTD. It is frequently the case that users decide to set up, create their simulation through scripting. This feature enables users to go the other way around. It generates the script equivalent to an existing simulation created in GUI. Running the generated script can recreate the simulation. This is performed by users simply by opening their simulation and running the GUI to set up script file. To access the necessary files and for an updated description on this feature, please be sure to check out the corresponding article available on our website. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to submit your ideas and vote for your favorite ones on the Numerical Ideas Exchange so we can continue to enhance your experience with numerical products.